As promised, we made it into the lower and middle 40s today, but that's the last time we're going to have temperatures that mild for a while. When we look out over the next 10 days, these are the high temperatures, and then the numbers below that, the difference from average. We're going to be a good 10 to 20 degrees below the average, and climatologically speaking, this is about the coldest time of the year, so 10 to 20 degrees below the average is really saying something in mid-January. We had some returns on the radar earlier on, but that was mostly virga, precipitation evaporating before reaching the ground, and will be dry this evening through the overnight. In fact, the sky has gone partly cloudy this evening. It's mild pretty much everywhere. In fact, 50 or better in parts of southern Ohio right now, but 24 hours from now, it's going to start to feel quite a bit different. We won't see much in the way of a temperature decline tonight, down to about 39 overnight for tonight, and then we'll rise a couple of degrees tomorrow morning ahead of our front. As far as any rain goes, it's most likely going to be around midday on our Wednesday, but hot on the heels of any rain will be the colder air, so it won't rain for very long in most spots. We'll have snow showers re-emerging as we head towards late afternoon and especially into the evening, and these snow showers can start to stick as temperatures continue to fall quickly. After reaching the lower 40s, we'll be, by this time tomorrow evening, we'll be below freezing in most of the area, on our way all the way down into the teens by tomorrow night. So again, temperatures tomorrow will peak right around midday, early afternoon, then the decline starts as the afternoon wears on. The snow showers come and go tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and into parts of Thursday as well. This becomes more and more of a pure lake effect kind of a setup. So a lot of these bands on Thursday will be aimed at northwestern Pennsylvania, western New York as well. But even around here, there can be some flurries and some snow showers, especially during the first half of the day on Thursday. And then we'll be in between systems just briefly late Thursday into Thursday night. And I say that because this week's system may produce some snow showers on Friday, starting mostly around midday. As far as our snowfall expectations later tomorrow into tomorrow night, parts of Thursday, our forecast hasn't changed much. I think a lot of places around the turnpike and off to the north will see 2, 3, or even 4 inches of fluffy snowfall out of this. An inch or two more likely as you head south of the turnpike down into Columbiana County. But no matter your snowfall amount in your location, it can be slick just about anywhere tomorrow evening into parts of Thursday as well. And this is a pretty relentless pattern coming up. The cold will be at its worst Thursday and then again Sunday and into Monday, probably next Tuesday as well. As far as the snow showers will be around Friday. They'll be around Saturday. Not much on Sunday, but snow showers can reemerge in this frigid air as we head towards early on next week. And while, again, all this is coming over several days, we'll have no shortage of snowfall accumulations to talk about in our part of the country all the way through the first half of next week. So enjoy the relative warmth while we have it. 41 and then falling temperatures later tomorrow. We won't get out of the teens on Thursday. Wind chills in the single digits. And while temperatures will recover a little bit by Friday and Saturday, we're in the deep freeze for just about the entire first half of next week with overnight lows single digits, daytime highs into the teens. Derek?
Yeah, better get used to it. Thanks, Eric. Next on 21 Sports, the Steelers